When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 23rd of October. I'm James Spann. Cool, dry weather for the rest of this week. Maybe some frost early Thursday morning, but even colder air could drive temperatures down to near the freezing mark by Monday morning of next week as a very chilly pattern sets up for much of the eastern half of the country. Check it out, a negative tilt upper trough rotating through the eastern states today. And that's producing some active weather north and east of Alabama. And for us, underneath the cold core, we have some lingering clouds over the northern 2/3 of the state. Those clouds will dissipate this evening. The sky becomes fair tonight. And it's cool. Only 56 at Haleyville, 59 at Cullman at midday. That's way below average for this time of the year. Birmingham at 63. We stay cool all week long. And around the nation, really hard to find any warmth. The desert southwest and South Florida, and that's about it. Got a tornado watch in effect with that negative tilt trough approaching for parts of the Carolinas and extreme eastern Georgia until 9 o'clock Eastern time tonight. Already had one tornado warning near Spartanburg, South Carolina earlier today. Got a risk of severe weather basically from near Jacksonville to Baltimore. The standard slight risk includes parts of the Carolinas and Virginia. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather for New York City, Atlantic City, much of Delaware, up into parts of New England. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk of severe weather up around Boston and Cape Cod. Rain for the next 7 days, not much. We'll see some rain with a cold front coming in Saturday. Rain amounts, I think, with that feature, probably 1/2 inch or less. Tropics are quiet now, but hey, look at here now on the 5-day outlook. The guys at NHC are suggesting there could be some action in the Western Caribbean later this week. We'll keep an eye on that. In fact, let's go through the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Big trough right on top of us. Down below that, a surface front well to the east. It's going to be a cool, windy, dry day. We'll see strong west and northwest winds of 12 to 22, maybe higher gusts, and temperatures holding in the middle 60s with a good supply of sunshine. This is Wednesday, still rather breezy. The high only around 60. Areas north of Birmingham could stay in the 50s all day. We start the day around 40, and this is Thursday. That should be our coldest morning. That's when the sky will be clear and the wind is light. So Thursday, the colder pockets go in the 30s, maybe approaching the freezing mark, and a good chance of frost for many of the outlying areas on Thursday. Then during the day Thursday, the sky will be sunny, the high in the upper 60s, and Friday, we stay cool and dry with upper 60s, and we note that 1,030 millibar high. Very cold air settling over the Great Plains. And on Saturday, check out that trough. Wow. And that's going to drive down a cold front, and the GFS showing a little band of light rain on that front. The GFS is waffled. Some runs show rain, some runs show nothing. The European has been very consistent in the idea of a good band of showers coming through here. And this is suggesting rain amounts maybe a little over 1/2 inch in spots. So clearly, if you got something planned outdoors on Saturday, be aware there's a good chance it's going to rain at times. It will not rain all day. We don't expect any severe weather. Rain amounts probably about 1/2 inch, but just be ready for that. And also we note, while we're looking at Saturday, an area of low pressure in the Western Caribbean, as suggested by the guys at NHC. We'll keep an eye on that. Sunday, that feature more than likely is going to be swept to the east-northeast with strong westerly winds aloft. That should be no problem for us if anything happens to pop down there. Sunday will be a very cool day. In fact, really the whole weekend cool. Saturday will probably stay in the 50s all day. Sunday, even with sun out, I think we'll stay in the 50s all day. And then this is the anomalies for Sunday. Temperature anomalies, and the number is 15, 20 degrees below average. We'll go to Monday. This is when we should have a pretty good chance of getting the first freeze of the season. For many places across north and central Alabama, this will wrap up the growing season of 2017, early Monday morning. Colder pockets go in the 20s. Average lows probably 30 to 35, with a good chance of a widespread killing-type frost. And then Monday, the high should be in the 60s, and this is out there at the end of the forecast period. This is November 2nd, Thursday of next week. Man, time is racing. Heights have come up a little bit, but again, that suggests the weather cool and dry. Check the numbers. You can see cool this week, and then here comes that even colder shot this weekend. And now this is the GFS ensemble. It's suggesting the high Saturday 54 and the high Sunday of 50. I don't think it'll be quite that cool, but still way below average. We ought to be in the 70s this time of the year. And for Birmingham, it's got 32 early Monday morning. Wow. And the next week, highs go back in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s. But 80s, forget about it for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.